My name is Brendan Higgins. I'm an orthopedic sports medicine surgeon specializing in hip, knee, and shoulder surgery. The main reason I want to be a doctor is so that I could help people. I know people hear that a lot, but it really is true. It's really rewarding to be able to use your talents and your abilities and put them towards making people feel better, be in less pain, get back to the things that they want to do in their life. After high school, I attended the United States Naval Academy in Annapolis, Maryland. I played football and lacrosse there. I actually majored in oceanography. Upon graduating from the Naval Academy, I spent about 5 years in the United States Marine Corps as an infantry and reconnaissance officer. Towards the end of my time in the Marine Corps, I served as a Marine Special Operations platoon commander in the initial stages of Operation Iraqi Freedom. When my time in the Marine Corps came to an end, I really wanted to continue a career that was really dedicated to serving others and decided upon pursuing becoming a physician. I wound up attending Georgetown University in Washington, D.C. for medical school. And while I was at Georgetown, I really developed a passion for orthopedics. I did my orthopedic residency right up the street at Dartmouth-Hitchcock. I then had a tremendous opportunity to complete a sports medicine fellowship at the Steadman Clinic in Vail, Colorado. The Steadman Clinic is probably right now at the pinnacle of orthopedic sports medicine in the United States and probably throughout the world. We had a tremendous opportunity to take care of numerous professional athletes in a variety of different sports. We trained under really the pioneers in hip, knee, and shoulder arthroscopy and learned a tremendous amount from them. We also had the opportunity to provide medical coverage for the U.S. ski team throughout the world. And that's something that I will continue to do in my practice moving forward. The reason that I wanted to focus on sports medicine and orthopedics is I was an athlete my whole life growing up, and I think sports are very important in a lot of our lives. And whether that's team sports as a kid or individual sports or just going outside and going for a hike or a run, I think activities such as those are really important for our psychological health as well. And I really gain a lot of satisfaction from getting people back into the sports and activities that they enjoy. The most interesting aspect of my subspecialty is the great diversity of the patients that we take care of. As a sports medicine physician, I may see a young kid in the morning and a 80 or 90-year-old patient in the afternoon, and that keeps the day moving along and keeps it exciting. I think the most important part of the doctor-patient relationship is trust. The patient puts a tremendous amount of trust in me as a physician and in our team as a whole to listen, to be compassionate, to come up with an accurate diagnosis and a comprehensive treatment plan. And likewise, we trust that the patient, once we agree upon a plan, is going to do their best to get better so we can get them back to doing the things they want to do. I think the most rewarding part of this job is seeing patients walk into your office either in pain or unable to do the things that they want to do. And eventually, whether it's days or weeks or months later, they walk out hopefully without pain and able to get back to those things which they enjoy doing. Medicine is really a quickly evolving field, and these days the amount of information that's coming out on a daily basis is incredible. Fortunately, there's a lot of technology now that really allows us to stay up to date with the current trends and advancements in medicine. For instance, just last night I watched an hour-long webinar on hip arthroscopy, one of my specialties, that was put on by a bunch of world-leading hip arthroscopists who got together for an hour and was viewed by probably thousands of people all over the world. That's something that really wasn't an option 5 or 10 years ago. When I'm not at work, I really enjoy being outside. I'm married and we have 3 kids, and we love skiing and hiking, mountain biking, camping, all the great things that you get to do in New Hampshire and northern New England.